In this video, we are assembling the Dr. Gnome Get Well card. And I'm going to start with the back of my card. I have already applied the centers to my flowers, and I've put a small piece of foam tape on my smaller flowers so that I can pop these up. And I apologize if you can hear all of that noise. That's some kittens that we had. We took in a stray cat. She was pregnant. She had 8 kittens. They are now 10 weeks old. I have only managed to find a home for 2 of them so far. So we have 6 kittens running wild through the house. But they are absolutely adorable. And placing the 2 that we placed was one of the hardest things we've done in a very long time. Okay, so there we have the back, and I'm going to go ahead and put these pieces in place. I apologize if the sound is low on this set of videos that I'm doing. I did not think about having a new phone with a new, of course they're always changing the adapters in them, and so my microphone does not fit in my new phone. So I'm just putting some glue here on these tabs. And if you're wondering what in the world the kittens are doing, we have a cat door. I film in the basement, and we have a cat door in that door that comes to the basement, so that our older cat, when we took it in from the pound, did not get locked in the basement away from its food and litter. And so now the kittens have found that they can play with each other through the kitten door, through the cat door. And that is what they are doing, playing with each other through the cat door. Okay, so now with these, I think I want to try to straighten this one up a little bit. You do want to make sure these are level so that it doesn't affect how your card stands up. Okay, and then I'm just going to glue this onto the back. And I was going to go through and take these slits out of this white piece, but I'm going to leave them for those of you who like to have, I don't know what to call them, the feet or the ends of this little slice, if you don't like to fold them down. That way you can use this piece either way. Okay, so now that one's done. Then I'm going to pull in my Gnome Doctor. Trying to decide which way is best to start. I'm just going to start by gluing this in place. And then you'll see two, you can kind of see the 2 points here, and that's these parts here on his beard. You just want to line that up just like that. Okay. Next, you're going to take this piece, and it has the fits right on there for the mustache. We're going to put some, we're going to wait to put the nose on till after we put the hat on. And now you can see right above these 2 little points, there's 2 curves. One's for the hat and one is for the face. So you're just going to line that up right like that. And then we're going to put on the hat. And I should have waited to put the mustache on. Darn it. Because you want the edges of this mustache to go over the hat. I was afraid of that after I had already done it. So let's just tuck this right behind. There, that was an easy enough fix. Then we're going to apply the nose. Put these 2 circles together. And that goes right there. Now, if you wanted, you could apply this on there, but I think that I'm gonna have my doctor holding his stethoscope. Like so. And I don't think that I don't think I have enough space to use foam tape. So I'm just going to put a couple dots of glue just to hold this in place. And then we're going to glue him onto the base. And then we're going to slide this piece on. And just like on the back, I'm going to glue these pieces down. I'm going to put this cover over them. And then I can put my Get Well in place. And there is the Gnome Doctor Get Well card. Thank you for joining me.